Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're doing the burping challenge once again, and we're doing Mr. Hand. I forgot to upload this a few days ago. If you've seen the last video, I said that I forgot how to do the I forgot to upload this video, and I accidentally deleted it. So and I actually gonna do it today because me and Mr. Hand, if you saw the last videos, There's 10. Hello, everybody. I'm going to win this. Don't worry, guys. Now you tell us who won in the comments. It's me, guys. You all made my best friend if you choose me. Yeah. Okay, guys, so let's do the burps. I will do the first burp. And me and did last time. One. Hey, guys. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's my burp. I'm going to say burp. Burping sound succeeded. And guys, now let's see what in the comments. See you later, guys. Bye. Bye.